Well, I'm going to instruct you how to clap now as we close out the day. First, I'd like you to give one clap for over 1,000 tweets that happened today, reaching 50,000 people outside this audience. Give one clap to all the tweeters. Secondly, I'd like to ask the staff of PACE, New School Venture Fund, and SVEF to stand up, and all the board members as well. And we're going to give them 4 claps. If they can all please stand up. Thank you. I didn't want the board members to stand up earlier because I did not want you to know where to go to complain about David and I. You know, today we started the day talking about Esmeralda. And to continue this conversation for me, I have a dream of Esmeralda receiving an integrated STEM curriculum, having access to technology 24/7 with hardware in her home, in her school, everywhere else. Her not only having access to Khan Academy, but all the tools that you saw earlier and you'll see outside in the lobby today. And by 2017, she is on this campus, in the Stern dorms, fully accepted to Stanford. Give her a round of applause. With that, I want to thank you all for coming out to our conference today. If you have feedback, we will be asking for it through various means, online and offline. And I'd like to now turn it over to I'd like to give a big round of applause to David Plank, who really thought about this and really pulled this together, was a founder of this event. Please join me in welcoming back David Plank.
Thank you, Mohammed. And this morning I said I wouldn't say my thank yous, so now I will. I want to thank Mohammed and all of the staff at Silicon Valley Education Foundation for really helping us with the logistics and with thinking through what this conference should look like. Ted Mitchell and New Schools Venture Fund for giving us access to some of the technology resources that we've used. Once again, Stanford University for providing the facility and providing a beautiful day. The S.D. Bechtel Jr. Foundation, which sponsored this conference, and Susan Harvey, thank you very much. I think it's lived up to my expectations. I hope it's lived up to yours. And I want to say 2 personal thanks. One is to Andrew Saltz, who I think is here, who is a graduate student at Michigan State University who worked for PACE last summer and who wrote the inventory of digital tools and resources that really provided the proof of concept that allowed us to go forward with this conference. And Andrew, thanks very much. And I particularly want to thank Melinda Nichols, who is in the back, and I'd like you all to give Melinda a round of applause. You can imagine what it takes to organize a conference for 350 people at Stanford University. It requires liaison with the AV people, with the catering people, with the facilities people, and with all of you as you registered for the conference and asked for parking instructions. And Melinda took care of all of that. She has worked extraordinarily hard to bring this together and has done a wonderful job. And finally, thanks to all of you. My experience in California says that if you still have 250 people out of 350 people in the room when a conference ends, you've done a great job. So thanks for sticking around. I think when you're in LA, if you have 50 people in the room after, you're doing great. But up here, 250 is a wonderful record. Thank you all both for coming and for staying. And now I would very strongly encourage you to interact with the presenters from our midday session. They're outside and they're looking forward to telling you more about their products and resources. Thank you all. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank everybody.